Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert RAR file to APK on Android. Now you want to stick to the end of this video to see exactly how you can achieve it with just few easy steps. Now I'm going to go to my downloads because I downloaded a RAR file over here. Now if you're an Android user, all you need to do is to highlight this particular file and then you want to click on more. Now I'm going to click on rename, and then guys, you're going to be going to the end of this particular file's name. Now when you get there, you're going to see that it ends with RAR. Now you want to delete that and change it to APK, and then tap on rename or done. Now it's going to be asking for permission because the file extension will be changed and it might cause this file to be unstable. Now you want to give your permission to it. I'm going to tap on change. This app has been changed from a RAR file into an APK. You just need to tap on it and then tap on install, and this application will be installed into your Android device. Now guys, this is exactly how you convert a RAR file to APK on your Android. Easy, right? Now if you found this tutorial helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you next time in my next video. Bye.